So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba gawing 200,000 or 200k ang daily limit ATM withdrawal sa ating video card. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating video online app and make sure guys na nakalagin yung account niyo. So open ko lang yung aking video online. And ayan guys, pagka-login mula dito sa pinakang accounts, itap nyo lang yung more na nandito sa my lower right side. And after nyan guys, pili lang kayo dito or hanapin nyo lang yung manage cards. So tap nyo lang yung manage cards. And dito guys, itap nyo lang or piliin nyo lang yung inyong card. So yung debit card. Tap nyo ulit guys. And kung nakalock yung inyong card, i-unlock muna natin. So pagka-unlock guys, ganito yung lalabas. So dito, itap nyo lang yung set daily card limit. So tap lang natin to. And ayan guys, dito, piliin natin yung ATM withdrawal. So tap lang natin to guys. And after yan guys, piliin natin dito yung sa ATM withdrawal. So tap lang natin to guys. So kung makikita nyo, naka 200,000 na yung aking daily limit ng ATM withdrawal. So ganito lang yung gagawin nyo guys. So di ba dati, 50k lang yung talagang default ATM withdrawals daily. So nakaganyan siya guys. And ang gagawin nyo lang is, piliin nyo or gawin yung 200,000 daily limit. So kapag nasa 200 na, tap lang natin yung okay. So, ayan guys, kapag nasa 200,000 na or 200k yung nasa ATM withdrawals ninyo, tap na natin yung update. And ayan guys, after nyan, lagay lang natin yung PIN para ma-confirm. So, ayan guys, card limits updated. So, naka-update na or napalitan na into 200,000 yung aking daily limit ATM withdrawal. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!